10 lucky plants that bring wealth, health, and love to your home. The selection of plants is dependent on the aesthetics and outlook you want to create within your home. Of course, there is the issue of size and maintenance. One would definitely not want to see a plant wither away, as that would create a sense of negativity. Greenery within the household not only adds purity to the air but also wealth, health, and love. Feng Shui is an art that patronizes keeping plants within homes. Don't fret if you have just begun to explore the wonders of this innocuous concept. This article offers you an insight into some of the home-friendly plants that can help you make a foray into saving the ecological balance whilst also bringing you a generous dose of fortune. List of plants that can bring home good luck. Here are some plants that you can keep at home for luck. 1. Palms. Definitely lucky indoor plants. Palms are great to create dividers due to their sheer size. Palms. They inject a bit of natural appeal with their breezy and tropical feel. Apart from attracting good energy, palms activate any missing feng shui element within a room. They are also excellent in removing the harmful dust elements from carpets. 2. Pachira money tree. Well, we are all familiar with the money plant is lucky for home myth. However, the Pachira money tree is a plant commonly used in feng shui and is believed to bring good luck and attract wealth. Pachira money tree. Native to Central and South America, legend has it that a poor farmer from Taiwan prayed for wealth and found this plant. Taking it as a good omen, he sold them to make money and become rich. Money trees are often braided together, and in order for the luck to come in, one needs to have 3 to 5 braided plants. It is advised to steer clear of the number 4. In addition to this, the leaves must have 5 or more fingers to be lucky. 3. Money plant. How often have you asked people which plant is lucky for home? And pat came the reply, money plant. Well, according to Feng Shui, the money plant, apart from bringing good luck and money, also harmonizes the human existence with the surroundings. Money plant. Known to have deep roots and vibrant growth, this plant oozes positive energy. The money plant has smooth and round-edged leaves that are clustered, which according to Feng Shui is a great sign of luck. 4. Lucky bamboo. The Asian culture has always regarded the bamboo plant as a symbol of good fortune. The Chinese call the lucky bamboo as Fu Gui Zhu, with 3 symbols that signify Fu luck and fortune, Gui power and honor, and Zhu bamboo. Lucky bamboo. The lucky bamboo brings harmony within the 5 key feng shui elements: fire, earth, wood, water, and metal, thereby harboring and nurturing positive life experiences. So make sure you invest in the lucky bamboo plant for your home. The arrangement of the plant also indicates the peace, fortune, health, love, and luck it attracts. It is ideal to place the plant in the east to focus on family, or the southeast, which is the nucleus of wealth. The highlight, of course, is that it is pretty low maintenance, making it the best choice for those who cannot exercise their green skills. 5. Snake plant. Funnily referred to as the mother-in-law's tongue, the snake plant, when placed in an ideal position, is deemed to be a plant of good luck, as it absorbs the poisonous gases from the air and eliminates the toxins. It also exudes strong protective energy and shields the residents from negative chi. Snake plant. The plant is often considered in feng shui circles as a bad plant, but when placed in a secluded area in a crowded home, the plant provides a strong positive vibe in the environment. The plant also improves indoor air quality by removing the toxins from the air. 6. Jade plant. Another plant with round leaves, the jade plant is a door to prosperity and success. Jade plant. Traditionally often gifted to owners of businesses, the plant is medium-sized and is suited to be placed at the entrance of houses too. It has the ability to attract wealth and success, so it can be placed at the entrance of houses to prove favorable to homeowners. 7. Potted orchids. One of the most beautiful flowering plants, orchids are not just design elements. According to Feng Shui, orchids have the unique ability to bring good luck and fortune in love. Potted orchids. It nurtures and enriches current relationships and most importantly enhances the chance of finding love and a partner. Another great benefit is they release oxygen at night, giving the residents a good night's sleep. 8. Tulsi or basil. Native to Asia, tulsi, scientifically called Ocimum sanctum, is categorized under the plants family Lamiaceae. A revered plant in the Indian subcontinent and considered as holy in the Hindu religion, there are several varieties available in the market. Manjari, Lakshmi Tulsi, Krishna Tulasi, Ram Tulasi, Kapoor Tulsi, Tritavu Tulsi are some that households in India have been growing and worshipping for ages. Tulsi. It is no doubt that Tulsi holds tremendous religious and mythological significance in the Hindu philosophy. But the root of this significance is its properties of purification, eradicating negative energy, killing bacteria and stimulating positivity. It is also believed that meditating in front of the plant could awaken passion in human beings and fills a sense of calmness when it is eaten. 9. Peace lily. Native to tropical Americas, peace lily as per Feng Shui is considered as a fortune plant. It has the ability to cleanse all types of environmental contaminants. Peace lily. It thrives best in shade and needs very little light. The plant also grows well in artificial light, producing white flowers, and needs to be watered approximately once a week. Given that it is low maintenance and equally striking in appeal, it is ideal for office spaces and also homes. 10. Rubber plant. Mainly known for its austerity and auspiciousness in the wealth area, the rubber plant can be placed in any spot to prove beneficial. The plant has round leaves, regarded as symbolic of money and prosperity in Feng Shui. When placed in the home, the plant fosters fortune, abundance and increase in wealth. Rubber plant. According to Feng Shui, any tropical plant aids in removing toxins from the air, thereby stimulating positivity, prosperity and peace. Going green is a choice in nature in any form, in a closed or open space, adds a unique characteristic to the space around it.